Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how recruiters actually find candidates on LinkedIn step by step in 2026. So you can position your profile to get discovered. Many people think recruiters just scroll randomly. That's not true. They use advanced tools like LinkedIn Recruiter and Recruiter Lite, which work more like a search engine than a social media feed. Let's break it down. First, recruiters start with keyword search. They type job titles, skills, tools, and technologies into the search bar. For example, instead of just developer, they search things like front-end developer and React and JavaScript, not intern. So if your profile doesn't include these exact words, you might never appear. Next, they apply filters. Recruiters rarely look at all results. They narrow it down using filters like location, current company, past company, industry, years of experience, education, skills, language. That means your profile must have complete and accurate information. Missing details equals lower visibility. Now here's something important. Recruiters don't always search by job title. Sometimes they search by skills only. If you're a video editor but don't list Adobe Premiere Pro or After Effects in skills, you won't show up. Next is spotlight filters. Recruiters have a special filter showing candidates who are open to work, are more likely to respond, have recently updated profiles, have mutual connections. So turning on open to work or recruiter only increases your chances a lot. Another way recruiters find candidates is through LinkedIn recommendations and connections. When they view one profile, LinkedIn suggests similar profiles on the side. If your profile matches keywords and industry, you can appear there. They also check activity. People who post, comment, and engage regularly seem more active and responsive, which recruiters prefer. Next is Boolean search logic. Recruiters use and or not to refine results. So your profile needs multiple variations of job titles and tools, or not just one. Recruiters also save searches. When new profiles match their criteria, LinkedIn notifies them automatically. If you update your profile with new skills, you can suddenly appear in those saved searches. Finally, recruiters often search inside groups, alumni networks, and company pages. Being part of industry groups increases visibility. So to get found, use clear job titles, add all key skills, complete your experience, stay active, turn on open to work, use keyword variations. And that's how recruiters actually find candidates on LinkedIn step by step in 2026. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more career growth and LinkedIn strategy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.